Are you ready to see what's really happening inside Nyayo National Stadium right now? I know you've heard the talk, but today I'm here to show you the truth on the ground. Join me for a raw and filtered tour inside one of Kenya's iconic national stadiums. The old running track gone. A new one is coming, but not yet in place. What you'll see here today is the real state of progress, with visible renovations happening at the fence and signs that the stadium is slowly coming back to life. If you've been wondering whether Nyayo Stadium is truly ready, this is your front row pass to see it all. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking the video. Please support this channel by subscribing, giving the video a thumbs up, and feel free to share the video to as many people as possible. My returning subscribers, sijawasahau, thank you so much for always coming back to support me, for your comments and for your feedback. By the way, I don't take it for granted. So keep supporting me and let's do this. So I'm now taking you outside the stadium. This is gate 11. So today we'll be focusing on the outside where the main renovation is taking place. So this is the current work going on. The renovation of the fence at Nyayo Stadium. You see, the old fence was demolished and they are now constructing a new fence. So this is a fire assembly point. You see? The other wall that was here was removed. This is the Nyayo stage. Wow. So let's proceed, guys. So the other fence looked like this. I'm glad I found the old fence. This is how the old fence used to look like. I wanted to compare this with the new fence that is being like placed. Let me know. I think the new ones look much strong and appealing. Let me know what you think, guys. So yeah, I think it was a good idea to remove this old fence. Another fire point, and this is where the running tracks were removed and dumped. Maybe they'll be transferred to a different area later, but yeah, as I've told you, the running tracks were removed and a brand new one will be placed very soon. I'll be here to give you updates, so just make sure you subscribe, like, share for more updates. So this side work is actively happening here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this far, leave me a sweet comment. Just comment down below telling me, Dolphin, I love your videos. If you really mean it. Yeah, just comment telling me, Dolphin, I love your videos. So thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Have a good night. Have a good day, depending on where you're watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.